In the world of financial markets, there are a few individuals who have unlocked the secrets of the stock market, a select few who have made a mark that is nothing short of legendary. Meet Michael Kodari, the man who decoded the stock market and the art of trading. Michael's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. His track record in investing was so phenomenal that even the Chinese government couldn't help but take notice. Impressed by Michael's phenomenal achievements, he was invited to China with the industry titan, George Soros, to seek his advice, collaborate, and learn from him. This partnership was further acknowledged when Michael was honored with the key to the city of Hangzhou, a symbol of his invaluable contributions to the financial world. Michael's success didn't stop there. Even the wealthiest and most prominent individuals in Australia and around the world sought his advice and expertise. But Michael's journey started from humble beginnings. His family migrated to Australia when he was just 10, struggling migrants with little to no money. Even at the tender age of 10, with limited English proficiency, Michael showcased his remarkable skills in chess, outwitting all his teachers. Chess not only became his means of communication, but also honed his strategic mindset and quick thinking. At the age of 20, while studying engineering and business at university, Michael entered the world of business and investing to support his family. He joined the #1 funds management company in Australia, dedicating 3 years to studying every investment strategy and book on investing and trading. His quest? To decode the stock market and the enigma of market fluctuations, to understand the intricate reasons why stocks or any asset price moves up or down. Michael established COSEC in 2010, and at the age of 25, made history by becoming the youngest stock market expert panelist ever. His consistent track record in picking the best performing stocks and creating history set the stage for a transformative journey. Michael's mission was clear: to create the best product and service offering the industry had ever seen. He aimed to empower investors to make the highest returns in the stock market and leave a legacy that would endure through generations. Success followed success, and over a decade, Michael transformed the norms of the industry. Handling a colossal monthly volume of over $5 billion in the financial markets, Michael crafted groundbreaking software, harnessing the power of algorithms and AI, devising unique strategies that delivered extraordinary performance and unwavering consistency. Michael harnessed these innovations to provide COSEC clients with the finest tools available in the market, enabling them to achieve unparalleled success. Michael Kodari, a visionary, a strategist, and a trailblazer in the world of financial markets. His journey continues, shaping the future of markets and empowering investors worldwide. Stay tuned, visit cosec.com.auto access his insights, and be a part of this remarkable journey to success.